Hello everyone, welcome to the session Master of Engineering in Manufacturing Engineering program. My name is Dr. Marjan Alavi and I'm the chair of this program, also known as MEng program. The Manufacturing Engineering program has two streams at the moment. One stream is called Discrete Manufacturing, which was the main and the older stream. This stream focuses on manufacturing processes with some aspect of automation. We also offer a new stream, which is Biomanufacturing Engineering. So that stream will be explained to you by my colleague, Dr. Fei Geng. Both streams have co-op options. During the co-op option, you will work for a Canadian firm and you will gain Canadian experience. The co-op is optional. If you like, you need to send your resume to a pool of candidates and you will need to work with our co-op team to find a job, to find a co-op and enroll in that. I strongly recommend you to take either a co-op or a project. Projects are, however, considered as 2 units and they will be performed during your studies inside the university. If you want to take a project, you need to pass only 8 courses and 2 project courses. By default, all of the students are considered course-based students. And if you want to enroll in a project, you need to reply to an email that will be sent to you by Salman Balwa and enroll in a project. The projects can be defined either by you, a faculty member, or by community partners. The project will be a problem that exists in a firm or an idea, a research idea that someone has and needs your help to implement it or explore it or do some improvement to a process. By enrolling in the project, you may start your project at semester 2 and the project will run in 8 consequence months. You need to work with a team of maximum 3 students to perform a project. Some projects can be performed alone. During this program, you will get the competency in using statistical tools and advanced mathematical knowledge to optimize highly nonlinear manufacturing processes. You will pass a few courses and in discrete manufacturing, in manufacturing systems, and some other core courses. You need to pass mandatory number of core courses, and in addition to those courses, you will pass a few management courses and cross-disciplinary courses. And then you may select some courses that are outside the manufacturing engineering courses, which are multidisciplinary or cross-disciplinary, called cross-disciplinary courses. So you have the flexibility to choose your courses and we expect the following course outline after finishing your program, including the ability to specify dimensional tolerance for outsourcing and control the quality of the incoming parts. Also, the capability to identify the operating boundaries of advanced manufacturing process. It is different from theory than experience, right? When you learn the theory, usually the boundaries are given to you. But when you go and work for an industry, you need to define the boundaries based on the application, the situations you are in, and you will experience this in practice by going to the co-op, by doing the projects, and also by learning the theory in the courses. Some of the courses also include projects. And we expect the students, the graduate students, to work in different fields, which are quite different. As you know, manufacturing includes multidisciplinary works. It can be manufacturing of electronic parts, It can be manufacturing of the discrete parts, as a bolts and nuts, or some advanced machineries for aerospace. So at the end, the firm that you will work in, it can be very different. It can be from general manufacturing or design for manufacture, because not all the parts can be manufactured, right? So these are things that you will learn. Material process, automation and process control, and digital manufacturing. You also have the option to learn AI methods, which are very popular, and use AI in manufacturing. The courses that are taught are offered in different departments, including chemical engineering, material science and engineering, mechanical engineering, and some of the courses are offered at our school. We prefer you to enroll in the courses that are offered at our school, which starts with the code SEP or SEP. And then you can take other courses as well. The potential career sectors after graduating from the MEng program includes engineering consulting firms, automotive or aerospace sectors, energy and nuclear industries, food and beverage sectors, oil and gas and mining, and heavy machinery equipment providers, advanced manufacturing industries, which are very broad, and process automation service, quality assurance and control sectors. We are also working with the railway system engineers to define new courses in that stream. And after passing those courses, as some elective courses, you will get the required knowledge to start working for those firms as well. These are new courses that upon approval would be sent to you, and you can enroll in those courses, and still are in the basic stages. So thank you very much for attending to my speech, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask your question during the breakout rooms and breakout sessions. Also, you can send me emails at alavis2@macmaster.ca with any question that you have. Thank you very much and have a wonderful rest of the day.